Alright. This is our modified project. We physically added a button and connected it to ground to prevent the circuit from short circuiting, and we connected it to pin 9. And then we also added a blue LED and used the same resistor as from the original project 2 to prevent the LED from overloading, and connected it to pin 10.
So when neither buttons are pressed, just the green LED is on. When the first button is pressed, the 2 red and blue lights blink and the green light goes off. When the second button is pressed, the 2 red lights alternate and the blue light is on again. And when both buttons are pressed, all 4 lights alternate.
So for the code, we have the code such that if you have an if statement with both buttons off, we have the green button being high and the rest being low. With the first button, you'd have the 3 blinking simultaneously. So we have an if statement with the green button being low and then the other 3 being high. For the second statement, you have button 2 being high and button 1 being low, and the statement is such that it'll alternate between the 2 red ones. So we have a constant statement with the blue being high, and we have sub-statements where if we'd have one being high in one statement, we'd wait a quarter of a second, and you have the second one to be high. So that's why you have the alternating thing. If you have both buttons pressed, you'd have it alternating between the 3. So this one, we have 4 blocks of statements, each separated by a delay of a quarter second. And for each of them, you'd have one of them being high and all the other 3s being low. So that's the code for our circuit, and that's the summary for the whole project. Thank you.